hasn't posted a brand new video in like 3 weeks. It's been pissing rain out here in BC non-stop, but today we have a sunny break and it's gorgeous out. We got some awesome parts that just came in. So today we are going to be installing a custom dual cutout diffuser for the Volkswagen. We're gonna be making some big changes to the exhaust system. So enough of me, blah, blah, blah. Let's get straight into the juicy parts, guys. Diffuser. Right here, it's just a piece of plastic that is underneath the rear bumper of the vehicle. It's attached by literally just a couple screws. It should be very easy to take off. The screws, they look like T25 or T30. So the second one will have the second cutout for the second muffler. This is gonna be really sick. I am doing this for purely aesthetic. I've always dreamed of this. You guys are gonna die. This is sick. So there we go. We have the new diffuser. The original factory cutout on the left. And then another cutout on the right, which is exactly what we were looking for. And it also has these aggressive grooves for quote unquote downforce. They also added an extra reflector. If you wanted to, you could also take it off right here with these 4 little clips. You could take it off. You could add an extra brake light or an extra fog light if you just want your car to look a little bit cooler, but we're not gonna be doing that in this video, unfortunately. $50 plus shipping on AliExpress. Let's just jump right into it. So I just confirmed what size the Torx screws were on there. They are a T20. I ended up actually cracking it, but I don't care because I don't need it anyway. Flat head definitely helps getting into those creases. It is, for the most part, in one piece, but we won't be needing that any longer. So guys, unfortunately, we just ran into a bit of a problem just now. Looking under the car where the second muffler would have been, underneath this cover is the charcoal canister, which needs to be removed and relocated. I am going to relocate this inside the trunk. I'm not gonna show you guys that on video because there is plenty of write-ups on Google. Showing you guys the entire process will just waste a bunch more time, which we don't have. There is a really good write-up on Google. I will leave the link in the description for that write-up. The custom diffuser is finally installed. It looks so sick. It looks so aggressive and so sick. I love it. It's in there securely and snug. It just sticks out a little bit. It was kind of bent from shipping, but if you stand back here, you can hardly even tell. So fantastic. Looks really badass. Looks really, really dope. So guys, I will take care of this charcoal canister relocation issue that we're having right now, and I will see you guys at the exhaust shop. Got turned away by 2 separate shops because they didn't want to attempt to do this job. I've attempted like 3 different shops, which all turned me away. It was too hard and they didn't want to do it. So, but we found another one and we should be in business. this is how the pipes are underneath. 3-inch down pipe over there. An OEM resonator from a different car. You see the bend follows like that. That is where the stock resonator would have been. That's where the pipes split up. One goes over the cross member, over the sway bar, down there, out the right side. The other one goes out the factory side. We ended up heat wrapping the fuel lines up there just for extra precaution. That's how it is. So real quick, this is how the piping runs, fully complete. Resonator, Y pipe spread out. Alright, so we're driving back home now from the muffler shop. Holy crap, that took 7 hours, guys. No joke. I came there at 11 a.m. and I left just right now at 6. Well, I left at 6. It's 6:30 now, but holy crap, this thing is so loud. And it's not, honestly, it doesn't sound that good. I think I need to quiet it down a bit, but probably gonna do that off camera. Probably going to add another resonator, or I'm gonna do some high flow mufflers or something like that. But holy hell, this thing is crazy loud. You can't even hear the music. Definitely gonna put a muffler in there. So there you guys have it, dual exhaust on my Jetta. If you guys found this video of value and if you learned something from it, consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.